2011 paper 1 question 11. To find where it crosses the x-axis, that's when y equals 0. So x equals 0, x equals minus 1/3 and x equals 3/2. To find the turning points, I have to be able to differentiate, and I can't do that until we expand the brackets. So that's 6x squared minus 7x minus 3, which equals minus 12x cubed plus 14x squared plus 6x. So whenever I differentiate that, we get minus 36x squared plus 28x plus 6. And that needs to equal 0. I'm going to divide everything by minus 2. So 18x squared minus 14x minus 3 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, we know that x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. The first answer that gives us is 0.95, and the second answer negative 0.17. For each of these values, we need to substitute that back into the original equation and find a y coordinate, which gives 8.05 and negative 0.56. First differential is used for finding the turning points. The second differential, which will be minus 36x plus 14, is used to determine their nature. So at 0.95, 8.05, if I multiply that by minus 36 and add 14, we get negative 20.2, less than 0, so this is a maximum. If I repeat this now, for negative 0.17, negative 0.56, the second differential is negative 0.17 times negative 36 plus 14, which is 20.12, greater than 0, so we have a minimum. To sketch the curve, I'm going to start by showing where it crosses the axis. So it crosses at the axis at 0, minus 1/3 and 1.5. It's a negative cubic, so it's going to have the following shape, and I'm just going to mark on the maximum and minimum coordinates. So this is 0.95, 8.05, and this one is at negative 0.17, negative 0.56. Finally, we're asked to find the area between the curve and the positive axis. So that'll be the integral from 0 to 1.5 of minus 12x cubed plus 14x squared plus 6x with respect to x. When we're integrating, we add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. We don't need a plus c because we're working with limits, and our answer will be when I replace x by 1.5 and replace by 0, we will get 0. And that gives us 7.3125.